Hey everybody, Luxinda Swirl here. New day, new cup project. So I have a 20-ounce skinny tumbler here. I sanded it, I washed it, I spray painted it flat black. So I am going to mix up about 30 milliliters of resin. I've decided to use my A Little Extra or ALE clear epoxy. It's got the UV resistant extra additive in it. Part A and part B are equal parts, so 15 milliliters of each. Then I'm going to pour off a bit into each of 6 cups, and into the 6 cups I'm going to mix some different things. I started out thinking it was going to be a mica swirl, but then I gathered some other stuff up as well, so it's not just micas. We have 2 micas. These are both Chameleon micas from Woody's Goodies. I have Let's Get Rocked and Respect. Let's Get Rocked goes from green to gold to blue, and Respect goes from purple to blue to green. Then I have these 3 things from solarcoloreddust.com. I have a Chameleon pigment, not a Chameleon mica, although it may be the same thing, but I'm pretty sure they sell micas as well. So I'm going to treat this as though it's a little different than a mica, but it's a Chameleon. It changes from gold to blue to violet. And then I have 2 of their solar dusts. This is blue that changes to green in sunlight, and this is blue that changes to purple in sunlight. I took these both out in the sun just a little while ago, and this one definitely changes to purple. This one gives sort of a half-hearted lean towards green. I wasn't quite as impressed with this one. We'll see how it looks on the cup. We'll see how this turns out, because I don't know. And then the 6th additive is going to be Marabou's alcohol ink, a glitter, not rainbow. This is one of their glitter alcohol inks, and this one shifts from blue to green to gold. So there should be a lot of color shifting going on, some color changing out in the sunshine, and yeah, we're just going to see what we get. So as usual, I'm going to gear up, sit back, and enjoy the show. And we're back. All right, let's see how this turned out. Ooh. Oh, that is even more gorgeous than I thought. Oh, I love it. Oh man. I mean, even without the color shifting properties of some of these. Wow. I don't know, blue moonlight. What would you call that? That is just stunning. My new I'm in love cup. It's gorgeous. It's gorgeous. I don't know which of these blues is a glow. I don't know which is the green, which is the purple, you know, the shifting in the sunlight. So we're gonna go to a dark room and find out which glows, and then we're gonna go out in the sunshine and see what happens. But oh man, I am in love with this cup. Wow. Wow. Fantastic. All right, let's see what happens in the dark room and then the sunlight. All right, now we're in the dark room, so to speak, a dark room, and I'm going to charge it with my handy dandy black light here, and we're going to see if we get any glow. Now let's see if anything here holds an actual glow. Yep, it does. It's faint, but it's there. Woohoo! Oh, actually, let me try it here. There's some around the top. Very cool. Very faint, but still there. I'm sure if I charged it more in the sun, and I can see it much better here. It doesn't show up as well on camera.